Hi there, this is just a short video to show you how I want you to format your annotated bibliography. The format is just what it looks like on the page. And in some ways this is not super important. I can still read it even if it's a different font size or the indentation is different. But in other ways it is important to have good formatting because that shows your teacher or whoever you're showing the thing that you're turning in that you can follow directions, and it shows that you care about what your thing looks like. So there is some good things to pay attention to in here. But I hope this gives you an overview on how to format things that'll help you in all your assignments. So first, we'll look at how you do this on Microsoft Word.
First thing, you can select all, so you can do select all and click here, or you can hit Apple A and make sure that it's in Times New Roman font and 12 size. And then you want to make sure that it's double spacing. And there's a couple other ways to do that. You can do 2 right here, or you can also go format paragraph and make sure this is double. Okay. So that makes everything is in double spaces and the right font and the right size. And then the other thing we have to change is the indentation. So here's an entry. So this is just the entry. There's one here. There's one here. We have those, and you go to Format, Paragraph, and Indentation. We have Special. We need hanging indentation, and this can be 1.27. And we hit OK, and that pushes the second line here. This should be there. This makes it so this is here and this is here. So all of your entries will need hanging indent. So you'll go through all of them and make sure they have hanging indent. And it's important that you do hanging indent. You not try to do it manually, because if you do it manually, then if you have to change anything, it gets all messed up. So that's the first step, and you'll do that for all of them. And then the other thing is the rest of the text needs to be inside, so I can clearly see this is about that. And you can do that with this button up here. Move this over to it's there. So now it's lined up past this. So I know that these two things are about this article. So you just click these and you do this twice. That's how you do it in Microsoft Word. The other thing that you want to do is, you can save this. Make sure it's saved as your name. Oh. This makes everything easier. Now I will show you how you can do this in a Google Doc. It's very simple, or very similar, except some of the things are different spaces. So again, you want to just, after you've done everything, highlight everything, make sure that it's Times New Roman and 12 font. That's good. And now we need to change the spacing. I know that's here under line, paragraph, and spacing. We can just click double here. Now that's all double spaced. And now we just need to change the indentation. So that's under align and indent. And you have to go down to here, and you do hanging. And at 0.5, mine's in inches, yours might be 1.27. Whatever the default gives you is probably right, and you can apply that. You'll notice if you have a very long length that it puts it on the next line. That's okay. Again, we'll do that with all of these. And again, you'll just have to go through all of them that you have, and you make sure these are hanging indent. And then, like we did with the other ones, we want to take these paragraphs and we want to push them over. So I believe that's here too. So that way it's clear that this is under this entry. These are under this entry. We'll do the same thing here. And you'll just go through all of these and make sure that they are underneath, further to the right, indented further from this line here. So in further. And you'll do that for all the entries. Here we have some lists, but it should still work. 1, 2, yeah. So that's clearly about that. And then again, it'll just be a matter of going through all of these and changing all of them. Shouldn't take that long. Just make sure you get it done. All right, that is how you format your annotated bibliography. And again, here, make sure it's your name. That makes it easier for me, annotated bibliography, easier for me to see that way.
So that is how you format an annotated bibliography. Let me know if you have any questions, but I look forward to reading the research that you guys have done and how you think that's going to fit into your project. Bye-bye. Thanks.